Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a financial support letter. What is a financial support letter? A financial support letter is a formal document written by an individual or organization to provide evidence of their financial capacity to support someone else financially. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a financial support letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you can start writing your personal information. You must write your full name. And then, write your home address. When you write the address, it is highly recommended that you mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And you can also give your contact information like phone number and email, but it is optional. After that, write the date of the letter. When you write the date, you can use the format of month, date, and year. In this example is September 30th, 2023. For the next, write the information about the recipient. You can write the full name. Under it, write the title or job position or occupation in the organization or university or school. In this example, the letter is addressed to the head of University Admission Committee. And write the name of the organization or university or school name. Once you're done, write the address too of the organization or institution. You need to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code when you write the address. And now, open the letter with salutation. Simply write Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, introduce yourself. You can mention your full name here. And write that you will be providing a financial support for a person. When you mention the person, you must write the full name. Not only that, mention also your relationship with the person. In this example, the writer wants to provide financial support for his or her nephew. And then, write what the financial support for. In this example is for course of studies at the recipient's university. Of course, you must write the name of the university. And write when your financial support will start. You need to mention the month, date, and year to write the time. Since you will be regularly paid for the person's studies, you must mention that you understand the amount of money needed per semester. Yes, mention the amount of money. In this example is $15,000 per semester. In the second paragraph, you must provide proof that you have adequate funds since you want to support someone financially. You need to mention in the letter that you attached your bank statement. And mention the name of the bank. Write also the address of the bank. You need to mention the number, street name, city, and state as well. Even if it is obvious, still you need to write that this bank statement is to prove that you have adequate funds to support your person until the person graduates. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a financial support letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for always supporting this channel. And see you soon.